ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ke Sorkar Jylla hagasni balang jong kendai terik ubnai rempang arajar arpuar kala shimya karai ban Weng no yeki Kyndon Pyrkhing COVID-19 Hapoh ke Jylla Baroh Kawei. Hagajingnya keren bat kilat pathai kubor Menteri rangba ke Jylla Konrad Konggal Sangma ula ong maki breu ki ba wanna bar ke Jylla ki balayo injek tika arsen kenti Kyndon kamshu bandang le yaka RT-PCR test. Susu ula penting beru bagi Sorkar kala Weng yaka curfew made But Baroh ki school ki badan Hapoh nong ba Shillong nado class 1 hado class 5 kin sedang ya by kumba julong. Haga ba yede bat ke jinglait ngolem ya ki ba yap ki trying Kyndon kamshu bandang panjing bit. Handrai ki paj ba ki de ban boat renti ye ki Kyndon ki ba Pyrkhing ban yada na ka jingya bit yo khanyang jingpang COVID-19.
Those who are double vaccinated will not require the RT-PCR test anymore. So if you're double vaccinated, you can enter the state. So we'll be lifting the condition of testing for double vaccinated individuals. Number 2, night curfew will be lifted. Number 3, schools will be fully functional from Monday onwards, that is class 1 to 5 in Shillong especially. Number 6, this is already in fact has been decided, but I just want to reiterate that for funerals, no permissions will be required, but COVID protocols need to be followed, and obviously there has to be restrictions on the number of people. For large gatherings and public meetings and weddings, we have so basically permissions are being granted for this also. It was done a few weeks back. I'm just reiterating it, that all of these will be allowed, and only permission from the Deputy Commissioner or the SDO will be required, and even the numbers will be decided by the Deputy Commissioner and the SDO based on the venue where the programs will take place. This also includes processions as well. We also like to reiterate that in bars, restaurants and movie theatres, it will be double vaccinated people will be allowed, and the odd even will continue in Shillong. This all will be effective from Friday. So from 11th of February, all these decisions will be effective from Friday onwards.